What's the meaning of baker's dozen? Baker's dozen. Baker's dozen.
Baker's dozen. Baker's dozen. The term baker's dozen is used to refer to a group of 13 items, as opposed to the standard dozen which consists of 12. The origin of this phrase dates back to medieval England when bakers would often be punished for shortchanging customers by giving them less bread than they paid for. To avoid this, bakers began including an extra loaf in each dozen to guarantee that they were providing the full amount. This practice eventually became standardized and the term baker's dozen was born. Today, the term is still commonly used in both business and everyday situations to signify a slightly larger quantity than expected.